Are you looking for the best printer under $100? In this video we will look at some of the best printer under $100 on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. We have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Brother MFC J1010dwe. The fastest inkjet printer under $100 is equipped with an auto document feeder to provide premium convenience. The Brother MFC J1010dwe has passed our testing methodology and has proven as a top-rated printer under $100. The matte black body looked decent at the first sight, along with the compact size was appreciable to fit easily on the office desk. The inkjet printer delivered one step ahead performance in printing office-based tasks as well as home printing. Adding convenience, the all-in-one printer offered us a 20-sheet auto document feeder to scan and copy the papers, including auto duplexing but no duplex scan. The paper sheet tray was adjustable to print various sizes of media, and the capacity was also decent for moderate office printing, which was 150 pages. The cost per print for monochrome office printing was significantly low, and the cartridges yield a great number of pages. In addition, we utilized its tilted navigation panel, and it was super easy to use for executing various printing tasks like copy, scan, and print. The control panel had a small-sized LCD display which we navigated with buttons, and the printer operation with a button on the panel was quite an easy job. Number 2. Canon PIXMA TR4720. Best for photo printing, the Canon PIXMA TR4720 prints exceptional photos. PIXMA TR4720 is one of the cheapest wireless printers but has a high running cost on our list. Although Canon PIXMA has one step down position for being top rated because it printed relatively slow colored as well as monochrome prints than our top pick, but it has acquired the second position due to its clear graphics and cheap price. The compact size is best for office as well as home printing needs. The auto document feeder handled almost 20 sheets along with printing the duplex documents. Upon testing its photographic abilities, the Canon PIXMA TR4720 printed small-sized borderless prints with no banding or color blur issues. Paper tray capacity is moderate for homes and offices to print small printing jobs. But the printer is an all-in-one solution to print, scan, and copy, which HP printers lack in this price range. Besides, the cost per print was high and we got 17 to 18 cents, which made the printer a high-cost run. Although we were expecting the monochrome will be less, but unfortunately, the cost per page was high for both prints. Number 3. HP DeskJet 2755E. A cheap option to get one as well as an economical running cost printer, the HP DeskJet 2755E offers an all-in-one solution for the home. A crucial reason you should get this printer is HP's instant ink supply for 6 months, which enables you to print around 700 pages per month for 6 months. So the printer drastically decreases the running cost as well as ink cost in the long run. However, the printer is slightly slow in printing and doesn't offer a feature-rich body, but it offered easy access to the cartridges and paper jams. The downside is feeding papers from the rear was like climbing a hill for us because the paper tray was flimsy and the dust can easily catch up the tray. Additionally, the printer was like throwing or shooting out the papers after printing through the front catch-up tray was also flimsy. Featuring 2 cartridge systems with black and tricolor, similar to the Canon PIXMA TR4720 and HP DeskJet 3755. Although, this printer printed a bit faster prints than DeskJet 3755 and TR4720. But the HP DeskJet 2755E is a bit bulkier in the size than HP 3755. Number 4. Pantum P2502W. If your office or home only needs monochrome printing, then Pantum, the best printer under $100, should be your first priority. The Pantum laser printer offered the fastest monochrome printing, which we observed was around 20 ppm with the Word document. Not only that, but its lightweight and compactness was handy to fit on our office table. At the first sight, the printer featured a metal body ensuring durability for frequent use for the long term. Thanks to the sharpness of the text print quality was outstanding. No fuzzy lines were detected on the monochrome documents even though we printed letter size and some other sizes too. But the downside is you won't be able to print double-sided documents. Though this might be time-consuming for you. But the papers from the front are easy to fill, unlike HP DeskJet printers. The front paper tray can easily accommodate 150 sheets, means no often refilling will be needed. But if we printed 700 pages per month while testing it, which is the maximum cycle of the printer, then it was needed to refill often. Number 5. HP LaserJet M209dwe. Another monochrome yet quality delivered printer on our list. Although the best wireless printer under $100 has a downside that no scanning feature is available out there thanks to the duplex printing that Pantum lacks, the build quality seemed sturdy combined with gray and white color. Although it saved the cost of ink by enabling us to use the HP Instant Ink subscription for 6 months and you can churn out a good number of pages. We were not expecting that much high printing speed, which was almost 30 pages per minute, relatively faster than Pantum. We printed forms, Word documents, Excel sheets, direct printing from Google Cloud services, and much more flawlessly, and no often toner was running out. Once we troubleshoot the paper jamming, but the access to the paper jams was quite uncomplicated from the rear side.